You find inside Surah Taha that those individuals, وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً دَنْكَ. Those individuals who turn away from the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will have ma'ishatan danka. Ulama have described what is ma'ishatun danka. Either the literal meaning is they're going to have a wretched life. They're going to have a bad life. Even if they possess the world and the dunya and everything that they own, there's going to be qalaq. There's going to be absence, hollowness inside their heart, their chest. There's something missing. Read about the seerah of people that, young youth aspire to be these YouTubers and millionaires and people with money and fame and whatever. Read about their life. How many have contemplated suicide? How many contemplate taking their life? How many in their right, they're not happy with their life? They are unrest, they're not peaceful, they're looking for something. And they have everything and we're chasing after these individuals. They're missing something. That's the first meaning. The literal meaning, they're going to be upset with their life. The second meaning, deeper meaning, as ulama have mentioned, the ma'ishat and danka is fil qabr. There's going to be restriction inside the grave. Every single one of us is going to be restricted inside the grave. And the ribs of the individual intertwine inside the grave. Be brought so close together. For what purpose? فَإِنَّ لُ مَعِيشَةً دَنْكَ. This individual is going to be in a state of wretchedness or wickedness that we're going to find. Because why? That this person turned away from the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَمَنْ أَعْرَضَ عَنْ ذِكْرِي فَإِنَّ لَهُ مَعِيشَةً دَنْكَ وَنَحْشُرُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَعْمَى قَالَ رَبِّ لِمَ حَشَرْتَنِي أَعْمَى وَقَدْ كُنْتُ بَصِيرًا قَالَ كَذَلِكَ أَتَتْكَ آيَاتُنَا فَنَسِيتَهَا وَكَذَلِكَ الْيَوْمَ تُنْسَى. Allah says inside Surah Taha, person will say, oh my Lord, why have you made me blind on this day? When I lived on this dunya, I could see. I was visible to see everything around me inside this dunya. I could see it clearly. Why am I blind today? Allah gives a response, you're blind today. Because in this dunya, we showed you our signs and you turned away from them. وَكَذَلِكَ الْيَوْمَ تُنْسَى. And today we're going to forget you. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgets an individual, that's the end, that's the doom of the individual. When Allah forgets you, when Allah leaves you alone, even inside this dunya, it's a trial and tribulation. The more deeper a person goes into muharramat, the more they're left inside it. It's a sign that Allah's left this individual. There may be a few individuals who may awaken, but the general sunnatullah al-ard is what's known as su'ul khatimah, an evil ending. It's an evil ending for those individuals. We're not here to judge any individuals, but if you go and study the life of certain individuals, when they leave this dunya, on a few occasions inside my life, I've been inside a room where dead people have been inside there. And two opposite people, I've witnessed them inside my life. I've seen the worst of a dead body with bullets all sprayed across their chest and a foul smell coming from this dead corpse. And I say to the people around them, do you smell this filthy smell inside this room? They say, we can't smell anything. We can't smell anything. I had to leave the room. I had to leave that environment that Allah showed me right there that this person and what this person carried out inside their life, the life that they've lived, every single sin on the face of the earth that they've carried out and what they've done inside their lives. None of you know who this individual is and none of you will ever know. Who knows, and who don't know. Allah like the opposite. That this time this year I washed their body exactly the opposite. That a person from being from a cold dead body turned to fragrance and light and peace and rest. These are signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He shows to people. He shows His signs. That's why we remember death. Remember death, remembering the journey back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet when he would visit Aisha, when it was his day to spend the night with her, what did he do? He would go out to Jannatul Baqi. He would go out to the graveyard. He would go there and meet them and greet them. And he said, وَإِنَّ إِنشَاءَ بِكُمْ لَلَّاحِقُونَ. We're going to come back and meet you one day. That's what he would do. Nearly every other night when he would be there, he would go to the graveyard and remember this is going to be my end.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Mimbar YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.